Again, I call this optional homework, but if you do want some practice in trying to develop box plots within Excel, there's a homework that's in the handout section there for you today that gives some written instructions for how to do that, as well as a spreadsheet with some sample data that you can use to make those box plots. So that's available for you in the handout section for today. So for starters, let's take a look at just a couple tips if you're going to try to use box plots to display data, particularly for water quality data in Excel. Typically, we'll set up data like this in Excel with different series in different columns. Oddly, that's not the way Excel wants to have it for box plots. And so the way you have to arrange the data is one long string, one long column of data, and with the column before that changing as the series changes. And that's kind of an odd setup. There's really no other data type in Excel that has you set the data up that way. So box plots are a little unique in that way. And once you know that little trick, then it becomes pretty easy to make box plots. And this is what a particular box plot would look like in Excel for the sample data that I gave you in the homework.